Hi, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Narbonne Avenue in Eccles M30, Ellesmere Park, to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached family home occupying a generous plot. The driveway to the front, gardens to the front, rear and side. As we go inside, we go into a porch which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. On your left, we have a good sized family lounge. Then towards the rear of the property, we have a generous modern fitted kitchen leading on through to a separate dining room, then through to the conservatory at the rear. This provides access to the garden as well. As you can see, the rear part of the garden fits from paving, later lawn grass and some mature plants. Then as we head on through to the side, you'll notice that there is access to a detached garage, and we have a lovely decked side garden which is south facing, and again is a really generous space. This property will be ideal for families. It's within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School, with easy access of amenities throughout Manchester, through transport links into Salford Quays, Media City and through to the city centre as well, making it a really convenient location. As we head upstairs, from the landing we have a nice modern 3-piece family bathroom, 2 large double bedrooms. This bedroom benefiting from fitted furniture, as you can see. This is the second of the double bedrooms. And then we have a generously sized 3rd bedroom, which is used as a bedroom cum office. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.